Ministro Presidente Ayman de Aruba taon di orador ng principal na konferensya di Nasyonang Unida dedicada na SIDS. Elahiba palabra elogiando sa MOA patuma e inisiativa para organizar uma conferência para intercambiar informação ribe reto ng komun. E hecho que entidad tan grande maneira nacional unida reconocer a situação ya acaba ta un logro grande pa e isla ng Chiquito. Senhor Ayman reitera que esa aquí nota solamente una oportunidad que isla nata obtener, pero esta 13 kune también obligación.
Ito un momento único para tu el líder ng SIDS pa junto llega na e cambio de sea.
That's why when I look at what we have to do from today on, it's not only to forge and to ensure that the attention that we are getting as SIDS countries, that the obligation that others are feeling towards small island development states will be grasped, and that we will be forging partnership to solve our problems. But there is something deeper and broader that we need to achieve with this new realization of what SIDS means and what SIDS can mean for the world.
SIDS atumo posisyon global vociferando ng preokupasyon.
Getting the utility companies involved in planning and executing a strategic policy towards sustainable energy is not only a challenge of a small island development state. Large countries have the same challenge of encouraging, of convincing their traditional utility companies that we have to make these transitions. Creating the necessary technology in order to maintain stability on the grid when we have large penetration of alternative energy in our resources.
Na momento que nos logra crear una solución usando recursos ng nos disponibilidad, nos nota solamente crea solución para SIDS, pero para mundo entero.
When we create the structures that our citizens feel inspired to be part of protection of the environment, of creating an opportunity for them also to share in what we are creating today, then we have not only reached out to our communities and to our institutions, but we have also created solutions with which every state that has created this change can translate it into economic well-being for all the citizens.
Como representante del Reino Holandés, Ayman siente una gran responsabilidad y compromiso para formar parte de la solución.
Because almost every part of the Dutch kingdom is working on part of the solution. Aruba is heading for total sustainability by 2020. We already have 20% of our energy based on wind energy. We are building the largest solar park in the Caribbean at this moment in front of the airport of Aruba, which will produce 5 megawatts, 5% of our total capacity. Next year, we will be building the next windmill farm, reaching almost 50% of our total capacity. St. Martin is working on social economic models to guarantee sustainability. The Netherlands is spreading its knowledge on water management, on ocean management. It's not only maintaining this knowledge in order to have a miracle development in the Netherlands itself, but is spreading this knowledge to everyone that would like to share in this knowledge in order to guarantee also clean water and safe oceans for the whole world.
Adicionalmente, Sabas Indústrias y Bonaire está trabajando riba protección de nos medio ambiente y Corsou está desarrollando a opción de deep sea water cooling.
Together, the Dutch Kingdom has accepted its responsibility to not only confront and surpass the challenges of its own small island development states, but is also creating solutions for other countries and other nations.
E anuncio ribe promedia que nos lo logra 100% sostenibilidad, lo hace aquí de nombre de SITS. El otro un logro de tecnología mundial terciando cambio en culo por garantizar un medio ambiente más limpio, un futuro seguro para nos y para el futuro generación.
I would like to end today with very strong words of encouragement to every institution, every organization working together with our SITS countries. Don't only look at how together we can surpass and solve these challenges, but also look how these successes can be translated in something much more durable in the economies of all the SITS nations.
E conferenza di Island Voices Global Choices di Nacional Uni riba SITS ta di promedi September te 4 de September e spera di por binco ideia ng concreto e inovativo na bienestar di mais de 39 islas chiquito de desarrollo.